Morning students, I welcome you all in my English class. Today we are going to study poem 2 Grandparents from your English reader book. As we have already discussed in the classroom, and today I am going to this video so that you can revise whatever I had taught you in grandparents. Before starting the chapter, we will discuss, like always, the difficult words and its meanings. Warmth means feeling of love. Embrace means to hug. Storehouse means a place used for storing goods. Sign that stands for another thing. Wipe, dry with a cloth. Precious means of great value, or you can say expensive. Moments, short period of time. Grandparents. It's very interesting poem, Grandparents. We all have grandparents, right? And in this chapter, in this poem, we are going to read why our grandparents are so special to us. Why? It's always very precious to spending time with our grandparents. Let's find out why our grandparents are very precious to us. Few can bring the warmth we can find in their embrace. Love and care is needed to bring a smile on their face. Few can bring the warmth. The poet is saying in this poem that not every person in our life, not all person in our life can bring the warmth, can bring that feeling of love. Not all the person can bring, but only a few can bring that special feelings, and grandparents are also one of them. We can find in their embrace, and whenever we just hug to our grandparents, we can feel that special feeling of love which we are getting from our grandparents. जब कभी भी हम अपने दादाजी को गले लगाते हैं या दादी जी को गले लगाते हैं, तो जो स्पेशल वाली फीलिंग होती है, लव वाली फीलिंग होती है, वी कैन फील, राइट? Love and care is needed to bring a smile on their face. And what we have to do to put a big smile on their face? We have to just love them. We have to just take care them to bring a smile on their face. If we want to see that our grandparents should always be happy, for what should we do for that? We should always provide lots of love, provide lots of care to our grandparents. They are a storehouse of stories, and they have time to wipe our tears. They make us laugh and smile and grow precious through the years. Again, in this stanza, it's a stanza, the poem the lines in the poem known as stanza. And when we are reading any story, when we are reading any chapter, then the lines which are written there known as paragraph, and this one is stanza. Okay, they are a storehouse of stories, and our grandparents, they are a storehouse, means they have collected a lots of stories. They are the storehouse of stories, and they have time to wipe our tears, and they have enough time to wipe our tears. Means whenever we feel sad, whenever we are not happy, our grandparents have enough time to wipe our tears. They just wipe our tears and make us smile, and they put a smile on our face by telling us stories, by telling us poem, by doing different kinds of activities. They just want to see their grandchildren happy. They make us laugh and smile, and they always want that their grandchildren should be very happy. They should always laugh and smile and grow precious through the years. And uh, we grow under their love, and affection with the passing of many years. Okay? I believe that God sent us grandparents as our present from above to share the moments of our life as a symbol of God's love. Again, the poet is saying, I believe. He's saying that he believes that God sent us grandparents. God blessed us with the grandparents. God given us grandparents as a gift from above, means grandparents are the precious gift. Grandparents are the expensive gift given by God. And why God had given us grandparents? He had given us grandparents so that we can share, our moments of life, so that we can share our happiness, our everything with to the grandparents, right? So that we can share each and everything with our grandparents as a symbol of God's love. And God cannot be with us all the time. God cannot be with us virtually. That's why He had given us grandparents, right? He cannot be with us physically all the time. That's why He had gifted us. That's why He had given us grandparents, so that we can share everything with our grandparents, so that we can enjoy the company of grandparents, so that we can share our love, and we also can get love from our grandparents. Is it clear to all? So now it's exercise time. You have to just tell me which option is correct and which is incorrect. So the first sentence is, grandparents do not love their grandchildren. Is it true? No, it's false. Grandparents love their grandchildren. We know that, no? The second one is, grandparents tell stories to their grandchildren. वो stories सुनाते हैं अपने grandchildren को. Yes, they tell lots of stories because they are the storehouse of stories. The third sentence, children don't like embracing their grandparents. It's wrong because children love to embrace their grandparents. Fourth sentence is, grandparents are a gift sent by God. Yes, they are a gift sent by God. Read the following lines from the poem and answer the question. You have to read the lines from the poem and you have to answer. Few can bring the warmth we can find in their embrace. Love and care is needed to bring a smile on their face. We have already discussed that there are many people in our life, but only few can bring that smile. Only few can bring that feeling of love whenever we hug to our grandparents. And if you want to see your grandparents happy, if you want to put a smile on the face of the grandparents, what you have to do? You have to provide lots of love and care. So the question number 1 is, what does their refer in the above lines? Their embrace means grandparents embrace, right? So in the above lines, their refers to grandparents. The next question, what is found in their embrace? We have already discussed a feeling of love or warmth is found in their embrace. Next question, what is needed to bring a smile on the face of grandparents? Love and care is needed to bring a smile on the face of grandparents. Again, the next answer you have to answer of the given question. I believe that God sent us grandparents are as our present from above to share the moments of our life as a symbol of God's love. The question is, who is I? So I believe means grandchildren believe, right? So it is grandchildren. Who has sent grandparents? God has sent grandparents. Why did he send grandparents for children? God, here he means God, right? Because he is written in capital letter, and that's why he is used for for God. God sent grandparents for children to share the moments of our life. Listening activity, right? We had already discussed in the classroom that I'll tell you a story and you have to listen that story very very carefully, and then after listening that story you have to answer me which one is correct and which one is incorrect. Okay, so you have to complete this activity in your book. I'm telling you the story. Grandparents. Neeti is talking to Sudha on the phone. Neeti. Hello, this is Neeti. Can I speak to Mrs. Sharma? Sudha. I'm sorry, mother is not at home right now. She has gone for a wedding. Now again Neeti speaking. Can you please convey a message to her? Now Sudha is replying, sure. Neeti. Please tell her that her friend Renu has met with an accident and has been admitted to the helpline hospital. Now Sudha is replying, oh, I'm so sorry to hear that. I will surely tell mother as soon as she returns. I hope Renu auntie gets well soon. Now Neeti said, thank you Sudha. So you had listened it carefully. Now you have to answer. Who made the call? Neeti made the call, right? Who received the call? Sudha received the call. Who does Neeti want to talk to? Neeti किससे बात करना चाहती थी? Mrs. Sharma. She wanted to talk to Mrs. Sharma. Who has met with an accident? किसका एक्सीडेंट हो गया था? Mrs. Sharma's friend. In which hospital has Renu been admitted? Renu been admitted in Helpline Hospital. So the homework is you have to write down in your copy about your grandfather and grandmother. You have to write down the name and your grandparents' age and how does they look and what does they like, what do they like, and what do what do they have done for you, and why do you like your grandparents. You have to tell the reason here. Okay, so please like the video. Bye.